Hello everyone, in today's video I'll show you how to download and install City Skylines 2 on your PC or laptop. But before we start, make sure you like and subscribe so we can continue making more guides like this. The first thing you're going to do is open Steam on your desktop. If you don't have Steam, make sure you download it, it's free. You're going to go to the Store tab and in the search bar you're going to type City Skylines 2. After that, you're going to click on the game. Now you see the full game page. After that, you're going to scroll down a bit and click add to cart. Next, you're going to click view my cart and you're going to click on continue to payment. You're going to pick your preferred payment method and complete your purchase. Once the transaction is done, go to your Steam library and the game will now appear in your games list. Just download it and play the game. If this video helped you, make sure you like and subscribe. And remember, if this video helped you fix something or saved you from wasting money, here's an easy way to support the channel. You'll find an Amazon link in the description. Bookmark it and use it whenever you shop. Whether you're buying tech or everyday essentials, a small portion of what you already spend helps support the work here at no extra cost to you. And trust me, Amazon won't even notice. If you want to support directly, you can also buy me a coffee or check out the phone accessories store linked below. Totally optional. That's it. Thanks for the support. Stay sharp and I'll see you in the next video.